In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Gemini web page as an app in Google Chrome. By the end, you'll have Gemini running in its own window, just like a native app, so it's faster to access and easier to keep focused without extra tabs. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Gemini website. Make sure the page fully loads so Chrome can recognize it as an installable app. This process uses Chrome's built-in option to install websites as standalone apps, which is perfect for tools you use every day. Next, look to the top right corner of Chrome for the three dots. That opens the main browser menu. Click it, and in the menu, find the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Depending on your version of Chrome, the wording might appear slightly different, but you're looking for the option that says Install Page as App. Click that. A small prompt will appear showing the app name and a confirmation button. Simply confirm to continue. This tells Chrome to create an app-like shortcut and run Gemini in its own dedicated window without the usual browser toolbars. It's the same content you already use, just wrapped in a cleaner experience. Once installation finishes, you're done. Gemini will open immediately in a separate window that looks and feels like an app. You'll also get a shortcut automatically added to your system, typically on the desktop and in your applications list. On Windows, you'll often find it in the Start menu. On Mac OS, look for it in the Applications folder or via Launchpad. From here, you can pin it to your taskbar or dock for one-click access whenever you need it. A quick tip: if you don't see the Install Page as App option, make sure you're using Google Chrome and not another browser, and confirm that the page has fully loaded. Keeping Chrome up to date also helps, as the exact wording and placement of the menu can change slightly with new versions. If the prompt to install appears with a suggested name, you can leave it as is. It's designed to match what you'll recognize later. And that's all there is to it. Go to Gemini, open the three-dot menu, choose Cast, Save, and Share, then select Install Page as App, and you're ready to go. Enjoy a cleaner, faster way to use Gemini and keep your workflow streamlined.